Hello everyone, welcome to elliotwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 5th and the chart of the day for today is the Dow futures right here. Okay, so we can see this is the 45 minutes or 1 hour depending on, it's the same as 1 hour. It's just for presentation purpose. Sometimes we go to the lower time frame so that it looks better. So right here we have the rally in the Dow futures going higher as an impulse, ending with 3 at the top. So now looking for a possible ABC and third leg down to finish with 4 before it turns higher again. So right here, possible support from to the downside will be in the next 100% extension right here. So this will be a possible support from the Dow. 35.8557, 36.026, and from here the index can go higher again or do a 3 rally, fail and go down again like this, right? If it is doing a double, then it can do something like this before higher again. So overall, basically it's pretty straightforward and simple. This is the bullish pivot. As long as we stay above 35.309, we like it higher. Now if we zoom out to the higher time frame, let's take a look here. This is the 4-hour, right? Now you notice that Dow broke above this previous peak here. Again, that will be indication that we created a higher high and therefore bullish. And you can see the rally here clearly is impulsive. And so according to the 1 hour, we are ending with 3 at the top. Now even this proposed count here, we don't see significant pullback yet from the top, right? So that means that technically speaking, we might even still be within the wave 3 since we don't really have significant sell-off yet from the top, right? I'm trying to copy and paste, but for some reason it fails, so let me do it here. Okay, so we're looking for a 5 ways up from this low here from October 31st, and we could be doing a wave 4 followed by more upside again. Now if you look at the RSI, you notice we don't have any divergence at the top here, so that is usually indication we are most likely not really ending a 5 ways up yet, right? In the 1 hour, you can also see the RSI looks pretty strong here. So again, indication that most likely we are not yet finished with the 5 ways rally here. Okay, now some other option, for example, if we do get extension higher from here, instead of doing another leg down, like let's say we go higher, then I think we can count it still within 3 before we get a pullback and then higher again, right? So because I think this one, if we go higher from here, I think this one is a little bit too shallow to be wave 4 like this. So I think most likely still within wave 3 in case we break higher immediately. Okay, secondly, if we are doing wave 4, remember the principle of retracement for wave 4, typically it is between 23.6. It's a guideline, it's not a rule, but it's a guideline. Usually it's between 23.6 38.2. Sometimes can be lower than that, sometimes can be only like 13%, sometimes can be slightly above, but typically this is the area for wave 4. So in other words, you notice here that if we do get another leg down, this area 35.857, 36.026, if you look at it here, it's actually still kind of higher than this ideal area, right? So if it does another leg down, I think it will end somewhere here. So that means that we could potentially do bigger pullback like a WXY, or in the worst case situation, this can actually be something like this: 1 2 and then 3 4 5, right? And then that 5 was ending A leg as your first leg of the correction, and then you get a B leg, and then you get a C leg going into this ideal area, right? So the sequence firmly bullish, as I show, it breaks the previous peak, no divergence and so on, But what I'm trying to explain here is the possible short-term oscillation, possible short-term structures, so that you guys are aware how to position yourself and how to create a strategy that is minimizing the risk and exposure to all those various possibilities in the shorter cycle, right? So all the various possibilities simply still means that we like it higher. There's no change on the idea. We like it higher to finish 5 waves, but we need to understand this pullback can potentially get a bigger pullback if it is really starting with 4, right? Because again, the principle of 23.6, 38.2 suggests there is a space. If it wants to do a deeper pullback, it could, and the deeper pullback, if it happens, can be taking the form of a WXY. If it is taking the form of a WXY, if it does a deeper pullback, then this is going to be a W, and this is going to be X, and then going down again Y, like here. Now if it is taking the form of ABC, then this actually can become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Like this, a B and a C going into this ideal area 23.6, 38.2. Okay, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, because we update this regularly here, you can always check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.